Anthropic is evil. It is a dangerous organization controlled by ideology and arrogance. These are not my words. These are Elon Musk's, spoken just a few months ago in front of millions of people. But in May 2026, the impossible has just happened. In the greatest secrecy, a convoy of high-performance servers crossed the United States toward a single destination, Memphis, Tennessee, the location of Colossus 1. The most powerful supercomputer ever built by humanity. The buyer, Elon Musk. The user, Anthropic. Yes, you heard that right. The man who swore to bring Anthropic down has just handed them the keys to his digital nuclear arsenal. Over 220,000 NVIDIA GPUs working day and night to run Claude, the direct rival of Musk's own AI, Grok. This is not just a contract. It is a capitulation, or perhaps the most Machiavellian masterstroke in the history of Silicon Valley. Why did Musk betray his own ethics? How did Anthropic manage to seize the power of SpaceX? And above all, what is the secret clause buried in this contract that could wipe OpenAI off the map by October? Buckle up, because what you are about to discover about the Memphis Pivot will shatter everything you thought you knew about the AI war. Because behind the numbers lies a strategy of total domination that no one saw coming. Starting with the colossal scale of this infrastructure. Part 1. The Colossus of Memphis, the AI arsenal. Let's get straight to the point. To understand the magnitude of this earthquake, you need to understand what Colossus 1 actually is. Imagine a building that consumes as much electricity as a city of 200,000 people, over 300 megawatts of raw power. Inside, an army of NVIDIA chips, H100s, H200s, and the latest Blackwell GB200s models, lined up in corridors that seem to stretch forever. Until now, Musk reserved this monster exclusively for xAI to train Grok. But the deal that just leaked changes everything. Anthropic has leased a massive partition of this complex. Less than 24 hours after activation, users of the Claude API and the new Claude Code tool saw their usage quotas double. This is not a coincidence. This is the SpaceX infrastructure effect. What makes this particularly striking is the speed of the integration. Anthropic had been suffering from a severe bottleneck with its usual partners, Amazon and Google. By plugging into Musk's network, they achieved what is known as zero latency. Claude became faster, sharper, and capable of processing contexts of several million tokens without breaking a sweat. But why now? Why would Musk, who has his own AI, hand such a blatant advantage to direct competitors? The answer lies in a fundamental shift in economic paradigm. Musk no longer sees himself merely as an AI creator. He sees himself as the oil baron of the 21st century. He controls the crude, raw computing power. And this is where things get dark. Rumors suggest this partnership is not simply a rental agreement, but the beginning of an operational merger. If Anthropic runs on Musk's servers, does that mean Musk has oversight over what Claude learns? That question is burning on the lips of every industry observer. But before we answer it, we need to dive into Elon's mindset. Because why did he flip so spectacularly? Part 2. The about face, Elon's REALPOLITIK. For years, Musk attacked Anthropic for its AI safety approach, which he dismissed as overly cautious, even woke. But in May 2026, ideology has given way to balance sheets. The hard truth is that Grok, despite its provocative tone, is struggling to match the refinement of Claude 4. In April, traffic on Grok dropped, while Anthropic's professional subscriptions exploded. Elon understood a golden rule of business. If you cannot beat your enemy on the software battlefield, become their landlord on the hardware battlefield. By becoming the exclusive infrastructure provider for a critical portion of Anthropic's operations through SpaceX, Musk secures massive revenue streams. We are talking about a contract estimated at between $4 and $5 billion per year. This is Silicon Valley realpolitik at its purest. SpaceX is preparing a crucial phase of its financial development, and every dollar of profit generated by Colossus 1 increases the company's valuation, which is now approaching $1.25 trillion. Musk is not betraying his principles, he is monetizing them. He knows that computing power is the scarcest resource in the world. By controlling it, he indirectly controls Anthropic. It is a masterclass in strategic maneuvering. If Anthropic becomes too powerful, he can raise prices or cut quotas. If Anthropic succeeds with its IPO, SpaceX cashes in billions. This is a situation where Musk wins no matter who crosses the finish line in the AI race.
Understanding these tectonic moves between tech giants is precisely what we do here every week. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and understand how these alliances will impact your future, now is the perfect moment to join the elite of our subscribers on Blueprint Hub. We break down the unbreakable, unfiltered. Hit the button, ring the bell, and let's keep going. Because this deal conceals another reality that is far more aggressive. If Musk is allying with Anthropic, it is also to isolate a common enemy, an enemy they both want to see fall before the end of the year. Part 3, the enemy of my enemy, the encirclement of OpenAI. To understand this deal, you need to look toward San Francisco, toward the offices of OpenAI. Sam Altman is today's man to take down. Musk carries a deep personal and historical grudge against OpenAI, the company he co-founded before being pushed out. On the other side, Anthropic was created by defectors from OpenAI who could no longer stomach Altman's commercial direction. By joining forces, Musk and Anthropic are creating an axis of resistance. OpenAI is heavily dependent on Microsoft, but Microsoft has its own regulatory headaches and energy consumption problems. Musk, on the other hand, controls his own energy, his own chips, and now, the best AI model in the world running on his machines. The objective is clear: encircle OpenAI. By giving Anthropic more firepower than what Microsoft provides GPT-5, Musk ensures that Claude remains the technical leader. If OpenAI loses its crown as the smartest model, it loses its users and its valuation along with it. But there is one detail that almost no one has picked up on. The contract mentions a restructuring inside xAI. Grok could be integrated under the banner of SpaceX AI. Picture the power: an AI that is not just terrestrial, but directly connected to Starlink. Anthropic could become the first client of this global network. This is a war of positions. Musk is not just building servers, he is building a fortress. And inside that fortress, Anthropic is the guest of honor. For now. But what happens in October? Because a deadline has been set, and it concerns the most anticipated financial event of the decade, the Anthropic IPO. Part 4, toward the October IPO, the heist of the century. Here we are, October 2026. That is the date Anthropic is targeting for its stock market debut. With the computing boost delivered by SpaceX, the growth forecasts are staggering. Wall Street analysts are projecting a valuation of $900 billion. This partnership with Musk is the ultimate sales pitch for investors. It proves that Anthropic is no longer dependent on the goodwill of Google or Amazon. It has direct access to cutting-edge hardware. This is the ultimate technical credibility seal. But there is more. Thanks to the 220,000 GPUs of Colossus 1, Anthropic is currently testing a revolutionary capability nicknamed the dreaming feature. The concept? The AI continues to think, self-correct, and simulate millions of scenarios between user requests. To run this, you need monstrous energy. Energy that only Musk can supply at this price point. If the IPO succeeds, Anthropic will become the most richly valued AI company relative to its revenues. And guess who holds massive purchase options embedded in the server rental contract? You already know the answer: Elon Musk. The heist of the century consists of using the Claude brand to raise hundreds of billions of dollars, while ensuring that the physical infrastructure belongs to SpaceX. Musk is in the process of becoming the landlord of the digital world. But then, what does the future look like if these two entities fully merge their interests? The answer may quite literally be above our heads. Part 5, the space project. AI without borders. Here is the most mind-blowing piece of information in this entire story. Internal sources at SpaceX are referencing a project called Aura. The idea? Stop relying on supercomputers in Memphis and instead launch data centers directly into orbit, coupled with the Starlink constellation. Why? To escape terrestrial regulations, but also for a thermal management reason. In the vacuum of space, with the right technologies, heat dissipation for AI chips works in a radically different way. Anthropic would be the software partner for this orbital AI, a Claude that lives in space, accessible anywhere on the planet with a latency of just a few milliseconds. This is where Musk's change of tone makes complete sense. It is no longer about whether AI is woke or not. It is about who will own the sovereign infrastructure of global intelligence. By allying with Anthropic, Musk ensures that the most advanced model in the world runs on his satellite network. This is a shift of eras. We are moving from AI as a tool to AI as global infrastructure. And in this game, Anthropic provides the brain, while Musk provides the body and the nervous system. This unnatural partnership is, in reality, the most logical alliance of 2026. It is the fusion of raw power and refined algorithmic intelligence. But one question remains. In this dance between the creator and the supplier, who will ultimately absorb the other? The Memphis Pivot is not just a tech news story. It is the signal that the AI war has entered a phase of brutal consolidation. Elon Musk has proven once again that for him, the final victory justifies every change of heart. By opening the doors of Colossus 1 to Anthropic, he is not simply saving a competitor. He is securing himself a seat at the top table of the global economy. Anthropic, for its part, has made the risky bet of allying with its most ferocious critic in order to obtain the means to fulfill its ambitions. If Claude dethrones ChatGPT before the October IPO, it will be thanks to Musk's GPUs. So, what do you think? Is Musk pulling off a stroke of genius by becoming the universal provider of AI, or has he let the wolf into the henhouse? Will this alliance hold, or will it shatter the moment their interests diverge? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one, and that is where the real debate begins. If this analysis gave you a new perspective, don't forget to drop a massive thumbs up. It is the fuel that keeps us delivering these exclusive deep dives. And if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to Blueprint Hub. We are building the most informed community on the future of tech, and you do not want to miss what's coming next week. Thank you for staying until the end. See you very soon for a brand new breakdown. This was Blueprint Hub. See you all.